Another one I really like that I haven't been able to find a good dupe for that's dairy-free is, like Hershey's Cookies and Cream, a classic. I haven't found a good dairy-free dupe because white chocolate is basically just dairy, so it's a little tricky. I did find some like general white chocolate that was a dairy-free alternative, and it was pretty good, but I haven't found a cookies and cream dupe yet. Alan Barbo, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream today? What were you doing? Were you doing more of the cards? Hershey's chocolate tastes like cheese. Oh my gosh. Dehydrated tofu with bits of blackened sesame seeds isn't the same. You know, I tried that recipe, but yeah, it didn't taste quite the same. Welcome in, Alan. How was your stream? Cadbury's is good. I really like the, is that Cadbury's that I'm thinking of? Hold on, I need to look it up because I don't remember which brand this is. Yeah, the Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut Bar. I used to love that one. Some of the vegan copycat recipes made me realize I think it's very similar to a lot of the health recipes, like health versions. Like things like people saying, you can make this. I'm trying to think of an example. Like, are you craving a nice chocolate chip muffin, but you want it to have protein in it and you want it to be healthy? Just replace half the ingredients with cottage cheese and you're good to go. Or people who'll do like just weird ingredient replacements to make things healthier. I'm like, that can't be enjoyable. Welcome in, Itinerant Soldier. How are you? Today's an off day, so you can fix that later. Oh, very nice. The weekend was good. Mostly just a chill weekend for me. Except for the fact that we went out for dinner on Saturday to a very nice restaurant, which was good. It was kind of like a belated anniversary celebration because we had our anniversary like last week, I think. But we had, or like a couple weeks ago, but we had it just at home and we didn't get to actually go out, so we did that this weekend. Just because the iceberg lettuce is carved into the shape of an ice cream cone and frozen doesn't make it a healthy dairy-free ice cream. Yes. Trying to make it healthy, piling too many vegetables on, diluting the flavors. Yeah, definitely. There's a joke on I think I've seen it mostly on TikTok where it's like the people asking specifically about things in the recipe and being like, "What if I don't like that? What's an alternative I can use?" When it's the main part of the recipe, like in there was one that was like a bean soup and they're like, "The soup looks really good, but I don't like beans. What else can I use?" And it's like, "Why are you making bean soup if you don't like beans?" It's the main element. Things like that are kind of funny. Or people who are like, I didn't like how this recipe turned out. I ended up replacing the sugar with sweet potato because I thought it had too much sugar and it was disgusting." And they give the recipe like 1 star. I didn't go to the Ren Fair, no. It was pretty far,